Hello friends, so I'm going to be doing, actually, I'm speaking at a meetup tonight, Remix Utah, and we have a speaker, but we didn't get a second speaker, and I like to have two speakers, so I'm going to be speaking, and I'm going to demo some feature of my website. It's the Cypress testing stuff, which I don't think is working right now. And so I actually already started updating all the dependencies on my site and ran into a couple of issues with some dependencies. So I'm going to work on that, get the dependencies all updated, or as many of them as I can without spending too much time on it. And then figure out what I broke with Cypress tests so that when I demo it tonight, it's not busted. So that's what we're working on. And the specific thing that I ran into was the recording right here, and it will not stop. So we get this unable to send event to child thing. So I've got to figure out what that's all about. And it's because I did update an XState dependency. So we don't want to throttle. So yeah, and then the other thing that I'm thinking is probably broken is these dynamic imports I think might be busted in some way, but we'll just have to see. Okay, so whoops. We're gonna go to recorder. Oops. Here we go. XState. So yeah, here we go. And it's saying can unable to send the event to child media recorder. Oh, and you know what? I forgot. Just as a reminder for folks, I ignore the chat in YouTube, so you feel free to chat there all you like, but I'm not going to look at it, and I recommend anybody watching to just hide it so that you don't have to see spammers and stuff, because they're super annoying. So I do appreciate help and stuff occasionally, so if that is something that you're interested in offering, then you can totally do that in the KCD meetup channel right here. So let me go to here and let people know that I'm streaming. There we go. And yeah, feel free to jump in there. The link's in the description. Okay, sweet. So, unable to send media recorder from service. Okay, so I think service recorder. So yeah, this is called recorder. It's unable to send event to child media recorder. So there, yeah, there's the service media recorder. It's unable to send that event. And I don't know why. When I looked at the breaking changes or the changelog, it didn't show anything wrong in particular. Let's see. So that's the on-click. So when I try to send the stop event, yeah, it didn't. The upgrade guide, or there wasn't really a guide, but where's XState? There we go. The releases. So I updated. Let's see. So XState got an update, but this wasn't a breaking change. Yeah. And XState Inspect got an update, but I'm not using that. Oh, I am. Yeah. We're gonna get rid of this. I basically never use the inspector. If I ever want to bring it back in, then I can easily. And then XState React. That did have a breaking change. So this one was SkyPack stuff, so it shouldn't affect anything. This was type related. And this was the V2. service was removed, but I'm not using use service. I'm using use machine. Yeah, okay. So this is, yeah, this is a bug. Let's see. Oh, you know what? I just realized centered isn't running. Let me add prepare, meetup, talk. This is probably gonna take an hour, I think. We'll bring it up here, get flowing.
Ready to dive in?
Yes,
Let's
I am.
get flowing.
Booyah. Oh man. Yeah, it got super loud again. I think. I don't know. Okay. Yeah, so preparing the meetup talk. Yeah, I was going to... Part of me is like, okay, I'm going to time box this and we're going to spend about 5 minutes on this, and if I can't figure out what's going on, then we're going to just not do this. So, send, stop. Okay. So then we dive in. So now we've got our event. Schedule that. Okay, it looks like this stepping through is not going to be helpful. Okay, so there's no target, there's no parent. So let's put that there. Play that through. And play that through. And stop that. Play that through. Oh, now that's interesting. Huh. Oh, right. Wait a second. I thought I put a debugger. Or a breakpoint. Yeah, I put a breakpoint right there. Can't I have a breakpoint right here? Come on. What the heck? Well, that's annoying. Okay, well, let's just try refreshing. I do still have those breakpoints, so there we go. Okay, good. There's just something weird going on, I guess. Let me just check something really quick. Okay, good. So this dot parent is undefined. So this is referring to the interpreter. And for me, I create a machine. Maybe I should look at the XState docs. Maybe they have a different way of doing this now. Yep, nope, create machine, services. That all looks like what I'm doing. Okay, I don't think I'm doing anything wrong there. And then let's look at 2 event. Now that's interesting. That's my pointer event. Huh. Yeah, that's what I thought. It's not what I think it is. Where am I? There we go. Now if I do event. No, it's still pointer event. That is weird. Arguments. There we go. That's what it should have been. Something weird about the console. Okay. Anyway. So toString 2, then this children get 2. Okay, so we do have children. Okay, so record a recording invocation. All right, well, here's what we're gonna do then. I'm going to go to their Discord. Okay. Where's their help? Help beginner, general, VS Code, modeling, React help. I just updated from some deps and my audio recorder broke, and I don't think there were any breaking changes in the change log that affect me. So I can move this over so y'all can see that. So it's XState React 163. XState React 2.0.1, I think. And then XState 426 to 430. Or 4261. There we go. To XState at 4333. 433. I'll share my machine. The error I'm getting is when I hit the stop button and dispatch the stop event. The interpreter does not have a parent. Stepping through the code in send2 on the interpreter, it looks like this one does not have a parent and no matching child. Here's the error I get. Yeah, I need a bot like this. This is great. Here's my machine code. The error happens when I do okay. That's nice. And this is really cool. We should totally do this in the Remix Discord. Okay, well, I do not have time to debug this, so we're gonna go back to, actually, you know what, let's just xstate, let's bring this one back. I'm gonna get rid of inspect. We can bring it back later if we want. 136 or 163, 163. Let's just see if that's the one. Okay, cool. So then, let's restart. Oh, rats. Yeah, that's unfortunate. Oh well. Just takes a while to get Cypress up and going again, but I'm not using Cypress right now, so it's fine. Okay, so in this case, this parent is still undefined. Target is undefined. We're going to get the same error. Yeah, so that tells me that it was the xstate was the problem. Okay, so let's go to... This actually makes me feel better because the changelog really didn't seem like this should affect this. So let's go to our package log in here. View raw. We're going to look for xstate. Nope, just xstate. Okay, 4261. That's what we got. 4261. We're just going to run the dev server by itself. No Cypress right now. Stop. Okay, cool. I just reinstalled. Yeah, okay. ID to the, okay. Thanks, Matt. I'll give it a shot. Then we'll go here. That's really nice of Matt. He's so available. It's awesome. Okay. To the invocation. The bug was that oh, okay. I see. That makes sense. Has a source but no ID. Ah. And stop. Works beautifully. Thank you so much for the hand. Whoops. No worries. That was nice. Matt is awesome. That is sweet. That wasn't supposed to go there, but that's okay. Oh, Mikhail is here. What's up, Mikhail? All right, good stuff. I'll wave hi. Okay, cool. That's good. So now I can accept that. I can do blah, blah, blah. Now I can test the thing I actually wanted to test. Submit the recording. That should work. Everything's good. And then here's the thing I wanted to test is, whoops, I need to log out and come back here, me at can'tseedodds.com. Open this up here and go to calls, admin, and record a response, accept. Let's clear all this stuff out and go, yeah, exit 0. Submit recording. Oh, hey, it's working. Good news. Yeah, that's great. Okay, good. So I think we're safe to upgrade all this stuff. And yeah. Oh, yeah, let's just do this. Upgrade deps. And we'll start the dev server with Cypress. What is taking so long? Probably linting. That's what it is. Linting. Amazing world when your build is faster than your linting. Yeah, okay, sweet. Okay, we're gonna close all this. Come back over here. And let's just run one at a time. Let's do the smoke test. That's easy. Huh, I wonder why it's taking so long. There we go. Cool, so you can get to the homepage. There we go. Onboarding. Man, Cypress, this is why I don't use Cypress for everything. But, you know, it's hard to justify using much anything else for Remix. Okay, so it's not able to find what we're looking for. I think it's looking for the email address input. Yeah, name, email. Huh. Within the main. Oh. Oh, so we're not waiting. Oh, right. Yep, that makes sense. So we're finding the main before the transition happens. Yep, that makes sense. Huh, that's interesting. So I wish there was a way to say, wait for the transition before searching inside of main for this thing. But let's just go to Cypress. What is downloads? What am I looking for? Which test are we running? Oh, onboarding. Okay, so I need to be able to say, look for this within main and wait for that. So the thing is it's able to find main, and then it's looking inside of main. Yeah, inside of that old DOM node maybe. I wonder if I reran this, if it would be any faster and it would just work. Just out of curiosity. Yeah, nope. Okay. Yeah, so it's looking within an old DOM node. Okay, well, I don't think I need the within main anyway, so we'll just get rid of that. And we'll do this as well here. That, I'm guessing that changed. Yeah, that's interesting. Yeah, because I'm not within main. Yeah, dang it. So we visit the magic link. Huh. I wonder why. Oh. Huh. That's weird. The magic link should have redirected us. Yeah, I haven't looked at these tests in a long time, so I'm not too surprised. Huh, it redirected us to login instead of to the sign up page. I wonder why. Yep, they're right there. Huh, that's strange. I think here we can actually do sci. I think we can do the find by role thing here. What the heck? Here we go. Pretty sure that will help. But we need to go figure out why visiting the magic link did not work, because it definitely should have. Let's see, magic. That's interesting. So we set the magic link verified to true, and then we clean it. I feel like that's probably wrong. That's my bad. I can't remember why, what the magic link verified even does. But in any case, I know, or let's double check, I guess. Let's see, I'm logged in already. So if we do, login is me plus test blah 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 at kentcdodds.com. Come on. It doesn't usually take this long either. Well, let me pull up Mailgun. Sending logs. Yeah, I still haven't gotten it. It could be my mail client, because my mail client is not the best. So it says it was delivered. Let me go to Gmail. Maybe my mail client is being funny. Yeah, oh, maybe it sent it to spam, actually. Yep, it sure did. Gosh dang it. Report not spam.
Do you really need to check your emails right now?
Sort of. Okay, here we go. Alright, so... Oh, dang it. There we go. So we'll go red team. Tester. And create account. So production works. Okay. I'm gonna just delete that user here really quick. But I don't want you all to see, because you'll see other users too. And that would not be nice. Man, I freaking love being able to do this. My admin panel that I put together in like an hour, it's so easy. Remix makes things so easy. Okay, cool. Well, I'm not sure. I mean, maybe it has to do with the update. Could be, I suppose. In any case, we know that this is working, so at least this code was. Set magic link, request URL, sign up, headers, get headers. Okay, that all seems correct. At some point... Oh, hey, we did console log the error. Here we go. Must validate session magic link, but no session link provided. Huh. Oh, you know what? I bet this is a bug in Cypress, because I had same problems with cookies with another project that I had Cypress in. Gosh dang it. That is no bueno. So let's see. What about the contact test? That would be super annoying. Supposed to give a talk about this. I don't.
You're now halfway through the allocated
Am
time.
I? Probably not, but sort of. Huh. Yeah, same problem. It's looking in the wrong. No, hold on. That's right. Oh, should have their email, but I'm not logged in because the cookie's busted. Dang it. Shoot. Now I'm thinking I've got to either find a bug that somebody else reported about Cypress or come up with my own bug report. Oh, I really don't want to do that. Okay. Hmm. 2100 issues. Man, oh man. Doesn't always clean up. Well, I mean, I suppose that could cause my problem, but I don't think so. Oh my goodness, back in 2018? Nah, probably not. All right. Ah, dang it. Okay, well, I don't have time to do this. This is a low priority item for me. So, gosh, dang it. What I need to do is create a minimal reproduction of this and open an issue. It will take too long to make a minimal reproduction, so I'm not going to do that right now. Maybe I will one day if this doesn't magically fix itself in the future. What I'm going to do first, though, is just see if I go to package.json and see what version I was on before. 911. Here, let's look at our package lock, actually. Nope, that is not the file I wanted to go to. There we go. Yeah, 911. Okay. Okay, then we've got an onboarding. Or contact, actually, I think is easier to spot this problem. Let's go to contact. Nope. No login. Yeah, huh. Well, I wonder if we look at the history. Where's the history? History, there we go. Let's look at what it looked like back here. No, I want to look at the file. (910). And before that, because I don't know when this broke, because I don't keep track of the Cypress test very well. Because this is kind of a low priority project for me. Okay, so an 870. If this doesn't work, then we're going to try 870. Okay, so then we go to contact. Yep, no dice. So maybe this was a breaking change. So let's install 870. Oh, see here it's saying I've got version 910. I forgot to save it. There we go. Yeah, it's got to install, so that's good. Verified, all right. Okay, so now, yeah, 870 and contact. I have a break in a minute and a half, and I'm gonna take it. Huh. Well, that doesn't seem likely that it broke then. Maybe it broke forever ago. (841) I always forget which button to press.
Your break is coming up. Begin to come out of flow.
841. Just seeing if I ever had a version 7. Yeah, alright. Let's do 7.
Take a break.
Alright, I'll take a break. I'm just gonna try this once more. Oh, come on, normally this is so fast. Okay, there we go. So they're verifying Cypress. Okay, and 770. Contact. Here we go. If this doesn't work, then I have no idea what is going on. Because I know it worked when I wrote the test. Huh. Yeah, no dice. We are not logged in. Or something. Hold on. It did want to go to me. That is super weird. Okay, we'll have some stuff to look at here in a bit. But I'm going to upgrade back to V9 before. But anyway, that's 2 minutes into my break. I'm going to increase my break back to 5 minutes. And I'll see you in 5. Okay, whoops, I turned that off. There we go. Yeah, okay, so discovered an interesting thing on that last little bit that makes me think that, yeah, I'm not sure what changed. Maybe it was a remix change, actually. Possible, I suppose. But yeah, what was interesting is that the login link at least seemed to think that we were logged in. So we're on the latest version now. If I can't get this test to work, then I'll just switch and talk about local development without Cypress. Okay, so this fails. We're gonna bring up our dev tools. We're gonna look at this link. You're gonna see that it points to /login. Okay, so it does think that I'm not logged in. And if I look at the network or at the application, I do have my root session, but that does not, no, I'm pretty sure it does mean that I'm logged in. Okay, let's refresh. Okay, so I get a root session. Let's look at the network. Huh. Oh, interesting. So here we're saying set cookie. I'm a little confused. Why is it showing disable cache to see full headers? Oh, yeah, let's disable cache. Here, actually, I want to clear this out. There we go. That'll make it more clear what's going on. Okay, so set cookie as the client ID. So I'm just curious about this. Where's my test login request? Do they not actually make that request? Okay. What we're going to do is I'm going to try changing this behavior just a little bit for the login thing. So let's go test routes, login. This is now going to be not a loader, but an action. Okay, and then instead of getting it from request URL, I'm going to say form body await form data. Okay, cool. So then we'll go over to Cypress support commands, and oh, you know what? Let's not use form data. We'll use Json, and this will be our form. And the node stack thing, we do something similar to this. So, oh no, not this one actually. It's the arc stack. Create user, or no, this will be commands and request. To this, test login, and we want the email, first name, team, and role. Okay, good. So let's try this. I don't know if it'll show the still no dice. But requests, there are 4 of them. That's probably all the redirects that happened, I guess. Email, username, first name, blah, 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 blah. Response headers. Okay, that response header does not have the cookie. Oh, it doesn't need it. Right, it redirects to the magic login link. That's right. And so then we go to the magic login link, and this has a root session. Okay, and then we go here. Request headers should have our cookie, but it does not. That is a bug. I'm actually going to keep the post version, the action, instead. I think that makes more sense. And because it doesn't, because the request headers don't have a cookie, we get redirected. Yep, to login. Alright, I think this is sufficient to file an issue.
Just 10 minutes to go.
It could be it could be that there's a bug around their redirects and cookies or something. Like following the redirect, it doesn't set the cookie on a redirect. So that's how I'm gonna say for the bug. Redirects do not set, do not honor set cookie header. I have a SCI request that ends up doing several redirects. In one of them, as intended, in one of them, a cookie is set, and along with the redirect location, the next request to follow the redirect does not include the cookie header. Cypress follow redirects should, or Cypress should behave as a browser does when following redirects for a request. SCI request call. Here's my SCI request call. Okay, test code reproduce. Yeah. This to reproduce, follow the setup instructions for my repo here. This is the worst. Yeah, nobody wants to do that, but I don't want to do this, all this setup. Yeah, my repository is open source. You can follow the instructions here to get it set up. Where's my contributing? I was going to, oh yeah. You can run the this test to or this is the test I ran to get the screen shot above. 9.5.1. I've experienced this in another project and had to work around it using cookie manually. I'd love to not have to do that here. Non-public. Okay.
5 minutes.
Okay, so that is where we're stuck with this. I am going to make this change though, because I think it is probably better. Oh, and it's onboarding. Yeah, I still want to be able to do it this way because I think we have another email on the page. At least I don't want to change this right now, so we'll just change this. Change login to use site request. Okay, so what we're going to do instead for my talk, we're going to change the title of this talk. Is local development or offline mode development of a Remix app, or developing a Remix app offline. That's my talk now. It's basically most of what I wanted to share anyway, so let's see. So on that note, if I go to calls, and notice all these are busted, and it's because it is the Faker Cloud thing. Yep. Yeah, this guy took his services down, Faker.js. Let's see if the new Faker folks have created a Faker Cloud that's just at a different site. Okay. Sweet. So I think if I just upgrade to
Just
Faker.
2 minutes.
Yeah, I'm gonna need a little more than 2 minutes. Let's do 30. There we go. Get started. Migrating from Faker v5. Okay. So we're going to get rid of both of these. I think it's at Faker.js and bigger. Yep. Okay, cool. Well, it looks like it all just should work. But they say we can do this. So let's do that. check our TypeScript stuff here real quick. And then we're going to come back here. This is still going to have the faker cloud problem. But then if we do fresh, there we go. Cool. So that'll look a lot nicer. We'll do the same thing for Chats with Kent. Those are all busted. Do fresh. Nice. It's all nice and fixed up. Okay, good. Yeah, this is all offline mode. So then we got all these. Okay, so I can't actually test the offline capabilities because I'm streaming right now, but I'm pretty sure we should be good. So, upgrade faker. And actually, when I'm at the when I am offline, images won't work, which is fine. So I'll have to mention that as well, I guess. Okay, let me just look at something here. Oh, just noticed some comments from Darius and Emmy. Someone in chat suggested to enable experimental session support. Oh. Yeah, and Emmy is asking whether I prefer describe or it over test in writing tests. I do prefer using test. I have a blog post called Avoid Nesting When You're Testing. Blog nesting testing. We'll see if that pulls it up. Yep. And so for that reason, I just like leaving everything over to the left. But you may have noticed that my Cypress tests do use describe and it. That's because that is the only way to make it work with Cypress. Cypress doesn't really support just flat tests. But thank you, Darius, for mentioning the experimental session support. We'll just see what happens if I enable that. Okay, so if we come over to plugins here, this is where I put all my stuff. Yep, there it is. Let's just try that. I'm guessing it's not going to work because I'm guessing this feature is for something else. But, I mean, maybe. It's possible. So, let's go to contact. I didn't see what that said. Yeah, no dice. I didn't think so. That's okay. Thanks for helping anyway. Okay. So, we will not enable this experimental thing that doesn't help yet. Ah, man. No, clear. No, I want close. All editors. There we go. Just like clean slate. Okay, I think that I'm pretty much ready for the meetup. Yeah, so I guess it would probably be good for me to at least outline what I'm going to talk about. So let's do notes.ignore.md. Okay, so developing a remix app offline. All right, so what we do is local database, Postgres, Redis, database I, set up via Docker compose. So then we've got local stuff, or for our own stuff, and then MSW set up via require mocks for third-party stuff. And I can show that. Part of that would be really cool is email, Discord, and just seeing if there's anything in here that's of particular interest. Just some utils there. Yeah, faker. Yep, that's pretty good. That'll easily fill up plenty of time. So, good. That's it. I'm prepared for my meetup talk.
Keep it up.
Okay, I need to sit down. Okay. Okay, great. So that's ready to go. Thumbs up. Is this who I think it is? Oh, come on. Show me who it is. I'm guessing it's Michal. So, anyway. Yeah, now we're going to make the SQLite fly stack. Let me just take a look at some messages here really quick. Okay, yeah, good. Oh, you know what? I also need to check on something else. What the heck? That's weird. It is... There we go. There's the Costa Rica meetup. But it's not part of the greater meetup group. And it doesn't say it has any upcoming events. That's what I was worried about. Yeah, okay. What the hell? Yeah, huh. Wait a second. There you go. Yeah, they kind of messed things up. It's like, that is not Costa Rica. Okay, so let's look at this one. I'm guessing. Huh. Oh, no, it is part. Okay. But, yeah, no event scheduled. I wonder why. Sorry. Give me just 1 second. Okay, I'll be right back. Somebody's knocking at my door. Okay, so couple of little update. We had discussed with or I discussed with Edison about
You're now halfway through the allocated time.
oh, am I? Well, I'm gonna need a lot more time than that. I'm thinking maybe 1.5 hours. We're combining with another meetup in Costa Rica to do an intro to Remix meetup. And so we're not doing a meetup today, which is great. We can do one next week. So we are all set. And let me just take a look at this. Okay. So the easiest way to do, here, I'm going to stop this, the Postgres database, and we'll quit Docker really quick. I'm going to delete or close this down. Oh, right, I want to update the README here. We're going to call this the blues stack. And let's do here, this is a remix stack. Learn more about remix stacks. And yeah, okay, cool. So update readme. Oh, right, no, not yet. I want to link stuff. Docker and fly and Postgres. Oh, they changed this. Ooh, look at that. I'm just gonna send that to my friends. Okay, so Postgres, multi-region. And multi-region, well. Stick Docker right here. I think we want scale, actually, scaling. And GitHub Actions for deploy on merge to both, or to production and staging environments. GitHub Actions. Email with cookie-based sessions. Eventually we'll probably need to figure out how to do password reset and like sending emails and stuff like that. Yeah, right now you'd have to get with like Mailgun or something, set that up. We don't, yeah, I don't know. That's tricky. Okay, I was looking for something. Yeah, sessions, remix, dots, cookies, sessions, create cookie session storage. Prisma. Pretty sure this is Prisma. Yep. Cypress. End-to-end testing. MSW. Let's see if I can get this one right. MSWJS.io. Pretty sure that's right. Yes. I always get that one wrong. vtest. I'm not going to get this one right. But let's try anyway. vtest.dev. I think that might be it. Yeah. Prettier. Pretty sure that's right. Yep. ESLint. Yeah, pretty sure about that one. And then TypeScript. TypeScriptlang.org. I think, maybe. I think I got TypeScript wrong. No, I totally got it. Okay, cool. So you install Fly, sign up and log in. Yeah, okay. So now let's README improvements. This is now the Remix Blues stack. And we'll close this. And we're gonna rename this. Get origin, or no, get remote. Set URL of the origin to that. Okay, cool. Okay. And what else are we going to do? I feel like, oh yeah, I want to rename the template stuff. Blues stack template app name. We're going to call it the Blues stack template. That makes a lot more sense. Okay. Yeah, you're right. We don't need to do Fly controller, just Fly. Blues stack. Yeah, the Fly CTL. They do Fly CTL in here, but I like Fly, just regular old Fly. Okay. So we need to run through all of this stuff. The Fly stuff to get this deployed. Fly auth, who am I? Okay, good. Yeah, so Emmy is asking about, while we're waiting for this, I can answer Emmy's question. Asking about vtest. And did you get rid of jest with RTL? No, jest still works and it's still great, but vtest seems to be faster, more actively developed by regular community folks. And so, yeah, oh, I guess I probably shouldn't show that because we are planning on keeping this around. So, well, it is what it is. I'm going to move this over for, yeah, it's not a big deal. Yeah, yep, exactly what Mikhail said. I need to find, you know what? Mikhail, the boy. I'm going to find out how to pronounce your name properly because I know I'm always saying it wrong. Name, pronounce. See if I can find it. I know you sent me, or I thought you did, how you pronounce your name, but now I can't seem to find it. Yeah, I can't find it. Well, sorry that I'm always saying your name wrong. Oh, I say it right? Michal. Okay, good. That's good. That makes it a lot easier for me. It sounds like I'm saying your last name wrong, though. You just need to add an E after the A. An E after the A. So, Michal. Michal? No, Michal? Is it Michal? Is that right? Maybe? We're still deploying. Last name is very hard in English. Well, sorry. Sorry, I'm doing some more infra-related things, so let me get rid of this, that, and that. I'm gonna delete all these. Oh, now that's fun. It shows me that there's a deployment running. Sweet. Nice, and it's giving me like output, the status output. Yeah, fly is becoming a lot more useful. And deployment completed successfully. Sweet, now I'm gonna delete it. Okay, all of those stacks things are deleted now. Yes, if you can help me say your name correctly, I am willing to say it 100 times to learn to say it correctly. Okay, so let's take a look at how this deployment is going. Okay, cool. I can bring this back now and push. And then once we get it deployed, we can follow the instructions here to get it in multiple regions. goes over here. Fly, fly is so cool. Okay, so we're gonna say fly regions add AMS. And we'll do, well, we don't need to do that for staging. We don't need multiple regions for staging. And fly scale count 2. Okay, and that is what we need to do for that piece. And this is a little bit more involved. Let's grab this line. And ours is called this one. And we don't need 10, we just need 1 in AMS. Okay. And then fly scale count 2. Okay, cool. And then let's look at sweet, I think we got our app deployed. Oh, nope, just kidding. Still waiting. Right, let's come over here. And it is deploying now. And I'm looking at the status, and it's saying that we do have 2 instances of the Postgres database up and running. One in Amsterdam and one in Dallas. Okay. There we go, and I'm seeing deploying v1 to the BlueStack. That's looks like it only shows Dallas in here, so I'm not sure. But it's showing AMS right here, so maybe. Oh no, that it's showing AMS as the only region. Huh. Oh right, I need to set a primary region environment variable. So yeah, let's, I guess, fly secrets set primary region Dallas Fort Worth, and the app will read it from the fly toml. Okay. Okay, so now I'm seeing we've got an AMS and 2 Dallas Fort Worth, and it's stopping one of them because we had a scale of 2. Sorry, I don't think there's anything in here you can't see, so I'll just bring this over. So yeah, that's what that looks like. That's pretty cool. And yeah, so it's bringing up AMS, it's stopping DFW, and that is stopped. AMS is pending. Really close. And then I will check bluestack.fly.dev. This is the template staging database. Okay, so successfully deployed. Let's see. Yeah, nothing. That is not good. Unexpected, at least. It's saying that we're getting health checks, 200s. Huh. Could be... Oh, I upgrade to HTTPS automatically. Firefox doesn't do that though, I think. Yeah, okay. Yeah. That is not what it is. Huh. Yeah, that is unusual. My guess is, oh, this is template DB. Oh, for goodness sake. No, template is also not working. Okay, I'm gonna go to my fly friends. Oh, you know what? I've seen this before. Yeah. Let's take a screenshot of this for posterity. Okay, so then I think I can say IP address none assigned. I think that is incorrect. Here, I'm gonna bring this over here again. Gonna take both of these. Yeah. Oh, now that's interesting. That failed. It says it failed. Huh. Oh, you know what? I bet it's because I triggered a redeploy before or while it was deploying or something. I messed up something. It was my fault because while it was deploying, I set the primary region. Okay, so coming back here, we just figured out Blue's Clues. Oh, come on. I don't want to do that one. I want to do this one. Okay. Here we go, deploy step. That's cool. All right, good. Let me check something. Yeah, good. Okay, so I'm seeing this. It is deploying to a backup. Now it's deploying to AMS. Okay. So it's running in Amsterdam and whatever MIA is, I can't remember. But it's still not done though. And it still does not show IP addresses assigned. Okay. Fly status, or yeah, status. Yeah, that's what I'm looking at. Fly scale count or list show. There we go. So we have 2. That's correct. And fly regions list. I'm gonna share that with our fly friends also. Okay, well, I'm not going to worry too much about this. It seems like probably a fluke. We're pretty much good, so let's branch dev, dev get reset hard main push force just to get dev deployed. Okay, and then here's what we're going to do for the SQLite stack, which is what I've been supposed to be working on for the last half hour, but I haven't been. And that is, before I added all of the multi-region stuff, it was actually quite a bit simpler. And so I want to back up to before I added the multi-region stuff, and or at least cut out the multi-region commits maybe. So what we're going to do is we're going to clone this and Let's see. Remix. Remix. What were we gonna call this one? Indie stack. I love it. Oh, actually, you know what? Remix indie stack. Clone that into the remix indie stack. Okay, so then we're gonna get log. I think this is the one. Get revert. We're gonna take, this will be easier, copy all the readme, paste it in there. And then I'll get rid of, well, we'll look at the readme later. Package lock. Package lock. Okay, cool. And then we go to Prisma. I'm gonna switch this to SQLite, and we'll go to Docker Compose. We don't need that anymore. And I think that might be it, aside from updating the README. So, Prisma DB, or here, let's go to the README. Let's update a couple things here. Fly app deployment. With Docker. Multi-region, nope. Fly, or I'll just call this a SQLite database, production ready SQLite database. And let's go to SQLite. Doom, 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 doom. That should work. Yeah, it sure does. Okay, anyway, health check, we've got that still, right? Health check, sweet. GitHub Actions, cookie-based sessions, Prisma, all this other stuff is still there. Okay, so then you no longer need Docker Compose. To get the database started, run this. I think we may need to, oh, database URL. Yeah, so, let me look at Remix website really quick. I'm going to pull this over here because I'm going to look at the env. Yeah, I don't think there's anything in there that's bad, but put this in the env example, which will be automatically copied for people when they get started. So we don't need to worry about that. Okay, so then we run this. Oh, right. Okay, let's delete those. Prisma migrate dev init. There we go. And so it should run. And this time it'll say no pending. Yeah, that's fine. Build. And then with your SQLite database set up and running, here, let's wrap. Okay. Set up a table to do. Ready to start the dev server. Sweet, did you notice that it's not port 3000? Because I happen to be running another app. I don't know which one. Close that. Who's running on port 3000? There we go. Now I can be on port 3000. There we go.
Your break is
Your
coming
break
up.
is coming up.
Begin to come out of flow.
Okay. I am gonna need, I just remembered. Oh, hold on a second. I guess I'm gonna take a break anyway. Yeah, let's see. Create a new repo. Let's look for BlueStack and actually just
Take a break.
BlueStack, and this is the indie stack. Remix indie stack. Okay, well, good stuff. I'm going to take a break. I'll see you all pretty soon. Okay, and
Welcome
we're
back
back.
to Flow.
Time to flow. Okay, we need to ignore these files. And we don't need the Postgres data thing in here anymore. I'll put this there instead. Okay, cool. Yeah, so we need to talk about volumes. Persistent volumes. I should switch the order there. Staging shouldn't come first. Oh well. I'll do it here and maybe I'll remember to do it elsewhere. Okay, in this part, create a volume, a persistent volume for both your staging and production environments for the SQLite database for both of them. Okay, so fly create a persistent volume. Hold on a second. Okay, that showed up in the right spot. Oh, sorry, I just noticed a message. Yeah, seriously, SQLite should do something about their homepage. Look at that, what a joke. Oh well, it really doesn't look modern, even though they literally had a release like 2 or 3 weeks ago. Yeah, was that last week, 2 weeks ago? Yeah, it does not look modern, but it is so killer cool. It is really awesome. Okay, so I'm looking at this. Let's see. Oh, bummer. We'll just follow the instructions. I was hoping I'd be able to reference the Remix website, but the account I have access to doesn't deploy the Remix website. So, okay. So, okay, here we go. I just noticed an email. I'm getting distracted. Yes, that is the case.
I'm guessing you got distracted.
Sort of, yeah, kind of did. Yeah, I did. But I'm going to do this anyway. Okay, cool. So, fly volumes create. Yeah, that's the thing I'm unsure of, is what to call it. There we go, mounts. That's what I was looking for. That is the config that I need. Mounts. No, we don't have mounts in here. Huh. Strange. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do anyway. So we'll go to fly toml. Okay, so this is going to be SQLite data. And so we'll need to set the database URL. See if they've got anything. Oh, sweet. Generate the remix app. Oh, yeah. Here, let's look at this. Remix, examples, jokes. See what we do in here, as well as in here. Mounts, data. Yep. Nice and simple. Let's do that. And then database URL, that's right, that's what I wanted to do. NodeENV production, yeah. Should probably do that in all of them, or in the other one as well. Okay, cool, so, in this, with this then, we just need to create the volume. Fly volume's great, yada yada yada. Let's create data region. Do we need to specify a region? I wonder if we can avoid specifying a region. We'll see. And size of 1. Maybe we don't need to specify the size either. Staging. Oh, yeah, that's gonna be... Nope, that's gonna be fine. Okay, and then we don't have multi-region deploys or testing in other regions. And yeah, everything else is the same. Okay, now one other thing I'm gonna do. Oh, actually, let's BlueStack. Let's look at our history. And I want to compare switch, can I switch? There we go. Okay, so any of these things that I don't need for what I'm doing. Aha! Yeah. Need the blue stack back. And I did remember we want to switch these and these. And then I noticed that we do not have the test routes anymore. We can get rid of this. And I just had a deja vu experience. For some of this stuff, I just kind of feel like we should get rid of it, because these are the defaults anyway. Okay, cool. Yep, everything's going where it's supposed to. Those two do need to be there though, so. Subtle improvements. And okay, so have I already done it? All this stuff? Let's go ahead and create these. Yeah, okay. Yes, thank you. Size in gigabytes. Here, let's do this one again and specify a size.
That's halfway.
There we go. Yeah, let's do size. Actually, you know what? They can change it later. And this is really intended for, I don't know. Fly pricing. Let's see if it's like any more expensive. Volumes. Free allowances up to 3 gigabytes. So let's do let's do the free thing. Okay, I'm gonna wanna, let's resize this volume. See, resize. And the region, I'm guessing. Yeah, it's Alpha Earth, yeah. Huh. Doesn't seem to be possible to change things. Yeah, let's go ask our friends. Okay, fly community, whoops, community.fly.io, and resize volume. Yes. We don't have a way. Yeah, basically be like a breaking change migration sort of thing. So it's possible, and nothing built in. That is unfortunate. Okay. Okay, well, let's go ahead and fly volumes. Delete. Yes. How do volumes work with backups? That is interesting, because it says here directly associated with only one app and exists in only one region. No other app can yada yada yada. Yeah, so if a user hits a backup, what do they do about the volume, I wonder? That's an interesting question. Okay, cool. So I think we're ready. Actually, we're gonna rm get init get create remix run. Actually, I need it to be private for now. Ooh, who else has started this? Wait, what? Oh, that's kind of fancy. How do I get to stars? Stargazers. Haha, I knew it was gonna. Awesome. Okay, so creating new repository. This is not using a template. This is under the remix org indie stack. And let's jump back to get the description from this one. Private create. And copy that. Well, let's just copy this. Here we go. Build failed. Oh, right, of course. I always do that. Settings. Where's my fly token? Token. And we'll grab this, bring this over here too. So I can go to my settings and secrets actions. And I call it the Fly API token. This is for the indie stack. Add that, and now we should be good to rerun that action. Okay, bring this on back. Okay, come on. What's taking so long to get started? Oh, welcome to the Remix Fly Stack. No. Let's come up here. Indie. Oh, Cypress failed. Okay. Oh, right. That makes sense. Workflows. Docker, compose, yada, yada, yada. No Docker compose here. But we do need to set up the database. Oh, right, we copy that over. Yep, so we're already good. What is a good database emoji? Emojipedia. Database. Server? Nothing. Tools. Sure, that one. No, that's like compression. So let me just make sure that if I don't have a database running npx prisma migrate reset force, we'll set it all up. Sweet. Okay, auth worked. Cypress still downloading deps. Build ran in half a second. Database is all set up. Cypress is running. Okay, it is 5:31 for me. I hope that this just goes. Like, that would be sweet. Gonna look at, oh, rats. TypeScript failed. Oh, that's right. Create many does not work with SQLite. And server, wait, where's server TS? No, we don't need that. Okay, we're all good. Fix TS issues. Oh, we don't have test routes. That's right. Not in this one. So we can just build and then TER to run Cypress. Why does it say actions 0? I don't have 0 actions. Okie dokie. Here we go. Good. That's looking good. Yes. Sweet. I love seeing that. Hopefully the build works. Let's just double check the Docker file. I'm pretty sure there's nothing in here about Postgres. So it should all be exactly the same. All right, I should probably wrap this up. Thanks everybody for watching, and we'll see you on the other side. Have a wonderful day. Bye.